Omagyanatimirandhasya Gyananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha.
So we are very fortunate today to have the opportunity to have the darshan of self-manifested Lakshmi Narayan deities. We are members of the Gauriya Vaishnava Sampradaya, and the priests here are members of the Sri Vaishnava Sampradaya. So as Vaishnavas, our goal is the same, which is to attain to the lotus feet of Lord Narayana.
Vaishnava,
But there is some slight difference between Gauriya Vaishnavas and Sri Vaishnavas. Gauriya Vaishnavas especially worship the Supreme Lord as Sri Sri Radha Krishna. And Sri Vaishnavas worship the Supreme Lord in his opulent form of Lakshmi Narayana, among the different forms of Narayana, the form of Nrsimhadev is a very important form. Of course, in Gauriya Vaishnava Sampradaya, we also worship all the different forms of Narayana, but our special emphasis is on the sweet form of Radha and Krishna. So this Gauriya Vaishnava Sampradaya practically was founded by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took sannyas at the age of 24. And for the next 6 years, making Puri his base, he traveled throughout Bharat. And then for the next 18 years before departing from this world, he stayed at Puri. And every day he would go for darshan of Jagannath at Puri. And every day he would enter going past the deity of Nrsimhadev. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was every day taking darshan of Nrsimhadev. And as he was taking darshan, he would chant one verse from the Nrsimha Purana, which is also chanted every day by devotees in ISKCON, which we just chanted now also. Namaste Narasimhaya Prahlada Hlada Dayane Hiranyakashipo Vakshaha Shila Tankana Khalaya Ito Nrsimha Parato Nrsimha Yato Yato Yami Tato Nrsimha Bahir Nrsimha Hridaye Nrsimha Nrsimha Vadam Sharanam Bhakti. So this is offering prayers to Prahlada Hlada Dayi. So Prahlad, when we remember Nrsimhadev, we must remember Prahlad. Prahlad means who is full of happiness. So what kind of happiness? How is Prahlad Maharaj so happy? Maybe he won the contest, Kon Banega Kropati, or Kon Kropati Banega, or something like that. No, that's not why he was happy. His father was already the whole Vishwapati. What to speak of a few crores. There are many people in Andhra Pradesh called Raju. But they're not Raju. And they're just working in a factory or something like that. What name is that? But Hiranyakashipu, he was a real Raja. But Prahlad, he wasn't interested in the material happiness that his father could offer him. He was always full of ahlad, or happiness, that was given by Nrsimhadev. So we offer our prayers, Namaste Narasimhaya, is unto the form of the Lord, who has appeared as a man and lion combined, and who is the giver of happiness to Prahlad. So next it is described, Hiranyakashipo Vakshaha Shila, that the chest of Hiranyakashipu was like a hard rock. Indradev is famous by his thunderbolt, he will break mountains. But if he threw his thunderbolt against the chest of Hiranyakashipu, Hiranyakashipu would simply laugh. His chest was so strong. The nails of Nrsimhadev were like the chisel that pierced the chest of Hiranyakashipu. So it's better to be a devotee of Nrsimhadev than a demon. If we become a devotee of Nrsimhadev, then he will certainly protect us. But if we become a demon, then we will be smashed. So devotee, he always remembers Nrsimhadev. He thinks, here is Nrsimhadev, To Nrsimha, Parato Nrsimha, he's also there, he's here, he's there. Just like when Nrsimhadev was fighting with Hiranyakashipu, sometimes he would be in front of Hiranyakashipu, next moment he would be in the sky, next moment he would be at the side. Hiranyakashipu didn't know what's going on, how to fight with him. Yato yato yani tato nrsimha. Wherever I go, he is there. So for the demon this is very bad. He's trying to get away from Nrsimhadev. Wherever he goes, he finds Nrsimha is there. But for the devotee, he's very happy. Wherever I go, my Lord is with me, protecting me. Here Nrsimha, Hridaye Nrsimha. Nrsimhadev is outside. He's within my heart also. Therefore, Nrsimham Ading Sharanam Kapade. I therefore take shelter of and surrender to Lord Nrsimhadev, the original personality of Godhead. So our devotees in ISKCON will also chant along with this one verse from Jaydev's Gita Govinda. Yes, Dashavatara Stotram, which is from Gita Govinda, in which he states, Tava Kala Kamalavarena Kamadbhuta Shringham Dalita Hiranyakashipu Tanubringham Keshava Dhrit Nara Harirut Jai Jagadisha Hare. He states that by the blessings of your nails and your horns, this Hiranyakashipu was crushed like a wasp. Dalita Hiranyakashipu, the original Dalit Hiranyakashipu, crushed by Nrsimhadev. Sometimes they made this, they say the low caste people are Dalit. They say the Dalit is the low or the subcaste people. But everyone is Dalit, everyone is crushed by material nature. You don't have that word in Telugu? Dalit? They don't say like that?
You say Dalit?
It means downtrodden.
Yes.
So everyone is Dalit by material nature. Hiranyakashipu was crushed by Nrsimhadev directly. So our process is to uplift the Dalits. So according to Adhyatmic understanding, everyone in this material world is Dalit, even if they're born in a Brahmin family. So everyone should be uplifted by chanting the holy names. The process was especially recommended by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Therefore, in the Krishna conscious movement, we put much emphasis on chanting, especially Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So by this sadhana, we can be purified and attain Krishna prema. But even while we are performing sadhana, there may be many obstacles to our advancement. There may be so many bad thoughts in the mind from previous births. Even while we're trying to be very devoted, so many bad thoughts may come in the mind. So Nrsimhadev, he killed the demon Hiranyakashipu and in this way protected Prahlad Maharaj. So in the same way, devotees pray to Nrsimhadev, please kill the demon-like thoughts in my mind, the demon-like thoughts in my mind, and protect my bhakti.